When I received this, it was really a beauty up close. I'll show you. This is the DC Collectibles Wonder Woman by the artist Joelle Jones. It's a numbered edition, limited to 5,000. This is how it looks like inside. And this is how the statue would look like. Signed by Joelle Jones at the base. It's Eisner Award winner, 5,000 pieces. Sculpted by Jack Matthews, designed by Joelle Jones. This is number 0645 of 645 of 5,000. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the statue, DC Collectibles Wonder Woman by Joelle Jones. See, you can see her signature here. After signature, now this is the statue. Isn't she a beauty? Overall, I'm actually happy with the paint job. You can see there's no smeared paint or anything like that. And the face sculpt is also beautiful. You can see Wonder Woman is about to hand somebody a serious beat down. But one thing that really catches my eye is this. Her hair. Actually, the hair is thick, long, and so beautiful. It's done nicely. I show you behind. See, it's such a long, beautiful hair that she has here. Exudes the femininity at the same time. That look and that the way she's built and the muscle, you know that she means business. That is the reason I actually love the Amazonian princess. She's feminine, at the same time she can put up a good fight, serious good fight. One of the best warriors in DC as well. And see the face, she means business. And the hair, the lasso is she's from the pose she's holding the lasso is about to throw, I guess. So this is Wonder Woman by Joelle Jones. Thanks for watching.